Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a recap of an event I attended recently at Arboretum grounds. It was organized by Promote Kenya and it was an outdoor movie. So come with me, the setup was so nice and I was so excited. This is Robert, he's the organizer, he's the chief executive officer for Promote Kenya. One thing I love about Promote Kenya is the way they go all out when it comes to doing the setup and the vendors they bring. This time Gordon's was on the ground and the setup was amazing. Also the wine box, they've never missed an event. But this was my third time going to such an event. I attended one at Karen, and then another one was happening on Pangani. Now this was my third edition. This Tipsy Horse setup was amazing. Able to check out how Gordon's had even a playground. People could play basketball. They had even a free beer tasting. Yeah, people are tasting Smirnoff Ice, the pineapple punch. And yeah, I just took a walk around and there was people playing darts. Like the event is a family friendly event, but there's alcohol sold, so it depends. You can bring your kids because people don't really misbehave as such. So this was me going around to see the vendors. Kulikuwa na Indomine. There was this person who was doing art. His paintings were really amazing. They were really awesome. But the prices, hey. So I decided just to take a walk around and see what vendors have been brought in. Of course, I had to go to the coffee spot to get some iced coffee and some sugarcane juice. And yeah, just see how the setup was. This was around 3 p.m. and the movie was to start at around 4 p.m. And I'm an early bird, so yeah. Let me take you around. The event catered for every person, and if you were a makeup person, they had a tent, and we met this lovely young lady called Archie. least trying out this Smirnoff Ice pineapple punch. And I had nothing else to do as I waited for my friend to arrive. It was an African timer. I've tasted it before. It's a sugary kind of alcohol. So if it's your thing, you can try it out. Gordon's just kept on amazing me with their setup. Like, hey, they really went all out. So then finally I went back to get my chocolate. Dairyland was giving a free chocolate bar and ice cream for every ticket you purchased. So you can choose any flavor you want for chocolate, but for the ice cream it was salted caramel only, but it was really yummy. Yes. And about 30 minutes of being alone and loitering around alone, my friend finally arrived and we were really glad to see each other. I was so happy to have company and we just went in to play game. Hi. I have no idea at a mimi, but just play. A good Samaritan showed us how to play the game properly and we were up for a challenge. Let's do it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hi. What should I do? Okay. Aya, 1, 2, 3. I think at the same time. I didn't win. Count. After that, we decided to go and try out the meals. Jason wanted to try out Indomie and chapati. It's nonsense. Oh God.
On my right, they have beautiful food for you.
So this is the second thing we got. Sugarcane juice. Another busy vendor that was in the house was Linton's. They were giving out free massages, like not a full body massage but head and neck. And afterwards they were charging 500 shillings. But it was nice. We definitely had to go back to the Gordon's area because their setup was really outstanding. The colors were just popping. And we wanted to try out some cocktails and also try out basketball, which didn't go very bad. So I think we can be athletes in future. Our dreams are valid. Our dreams are really valid. Yeah. This time we were watching Kenyan movies and they were really nice. Kenyan produced and directed. And yeah, we watched the two movies, one from 5 and the other one started at around 7 p.m. So this is how the setup was looking at night. It was very cute. So the next time you're looking for a plan in Nairobi, just check my Instagram page or Promote Kenya page for the next event. It was a really fantastic evening for me and my friends. You get to watch a movie under the stars, you get to enjoy good company, you have drinks, there are meals. So it is really a good plan. And if you want to get out of the house, look out for the next poster and you can come along with your friends, with your family, with your significant other, and enjoy a movie under the stars. Until next time, thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Please share to your friends and family, and let's keep it here with Kemzykemzy. Until next time, see ya.